Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Google Play gift card in Clash Royale. Let's get started. Let's start by opening the Clash Royale game on your mobile device. After that, go to the shop from the bottom of the screen. Now, click on the item you want to buy, like gems or something else. After that, click on Google Play Balance at the bottom of the payment screen. From here, you can choose the payment method you want. We will now choose Redeem Code. From here, you can enter your gift card code. After that, click on the Redeem button at the bottom. The money will be added to your Google Play account, and you can now buy your gems in Clash Royale. Whenever you're making online purchases, protecting your personal information is important. For an extra layer of security on your device, consider using a trusted VPN. For reliable protection, check out NordVPN at the link in the description below.